Systems engineering is a holistic way of thinking. It's looking at a change in one area and how that could possibly impact other areas, and understanding what that impact is. So is that a benefit, is that a negative impact, and what does that mean, the kind of so what of that change. Systems engineering has been really interesting for me throughout my career in that it's so varied. That's working with lots of different clients, and that's seeing all sorts of different problems at all sorts of points of the life cycle of the project. One of my project highlights has been actually doing a feasibility study. That was looking at small modular reactors, which at the time was a very new technology, and our client wanted to understand whether it would be feasible to put one onto their site to power their whole site. For me, it was a completely new industry. It wasn't something that I knew a lot about, but I did know about the client. So trying to understand and identify what was needed, whether it was possible, cost implications, and impacts elsewhere on the site was something that was a real challenge, but really interesting to do. Every project is completely different, and I think that's one of the most interesting things that we can do in our careers. It's getting that variety and it's getting that exposure to different ways of thinking and new and innovative ways of solving those problems. What I love about my job is working with people. It's seeing how things are progressing and actually making a difference and making a change. But for me, understanding how people think and what drives them and what motivates them, that's what really excites me, and I think that's crucial in our work. What is really important about systems engineering is actually having that variety of backgrounds. So having the same type of person wouldn't create that diversity of thought. We employ brilliant people and you get to work with them on a daily basis. It comes back to all the work we do, having that inclusive and supportive team.